didn't know anything about the process. We've had a really good cooperation and guidance from MPR. We finalized and finalized the audits and received the product certification smoothly. It has been a great support. I'm quite happy.
Hello, Peter. Nice of you to join us. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, thank you for taking your time for having this testimonial with us. So why don't you introduce yourself? Could you briefly introduce your company and your role?
Yes, I'm working in the company Klippan Safety, which is a part of colleagues Klippan. And we are an engineering and manufacturing group with a headquarters in Sweden. We manufacture interior systems to commercial and personal cars, such as banks and storages, to commercial vehicles and shelf systems, flex boards, soft cargo barriers, and luggage restraints and covers to personal cars. My role in the company is as quality manager on site in Sweden, but I have also a responsibility globally for our production sites in Poland, Germany, and Brazil.
Very good. And can you say something about how you heard about us and when that was? Like, when did our collaboration start, roughly?
A couple of years ago, I should say, and we had sister companies within the group that have worked with this certification, product certification previous. And so you were in that discussions actually. I heard it internally.
So since our collaboration, you've made some progress for your market access to China. But before our collaboration, what challenges did your company face before you started working with us?
No, we had been lucky in sales and received a new customer that required product certification for products which should be introduced on the market in China and Taiwan. That was the reason to start working with you.
And what would you say was the biggest challenge you faced when you thought about starting the certification process?
Yeah, actually, we didn't know anything about the process, so we were searching for information, of course, and so it was a new procedure to start.
So how would you say, what was your collaboration like with MPR and how were we able to support you?
Well, MPR, I think that the big advantage here was that you have been working for a long time with product certifications in China and Taiwan. And I have had a really good cooperation and guidance from MPR during the whole process. And also in the end, when we had this on-site audits from the authorities in China.
And what results have you achieved through our collaboration in the end for your project?
Yeah, we finalized and finalized the audits and received the product certification smoothly. So I'm quite happy.
That's great. That's good to hear.
Yeah.
So would you say you would recommend us to other companies?
Yeah, definitely. We are quite satisfied.
That's great. Good to hear. And would you say that there are any areas where we could improve?
Well, you can always improve, but we are happy with what we have received and the support. It has been a great support. I mean, we have had a lot of questions, and there has always been someone in the other end of when I have called. So yeah, I'm happy.
That's great. That's good to hear. So yeah, that was already it. Thank you, Peter. Thank you for taking your
Yeah.
time for this testimonial call.
Thanks, Robert.
Yeah, it's nice talking to you and looking forward to further good collaboration.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Thanks for your
Thank
time,
you.
Peter.